Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. So in this episode I'm going to work on synchronizing the working start part of the animation with the actual character movement speed, and then I'm going to synchronize the working ending part with the actual speed. So here is the demonstration. So as you just saw, when I start working, you can see there is minimum amount of sliding, so the animation start speed and the actual movement speed matches like this. And when I stop moving, it smoothly come to an ending like this. So that's the two things I am going to do today. Okay, so at the moment when I start working, you can see the animations are not doesn't really match, so it happens also when I stop as well. So yeah, now I'm going to release the moment key, and as you just say, so the character do not start working but it starts moving. So right, let's see how to fix that. Let me open the script in Visual Studio, and under character animation, so I'm using this math.lerp when I update in the speed. So actually I did this because I had some kind of a shaking effect due to the rigid body movement, and it slightly shows some abrupt changes in speed. So that's why I need to use this lerp in order to smooth it out. But now because of that, I have this sliding effect when I start working and stop working. So what can I do about that? So maybe instead of using this lerping, there is another function called smooth step, this one. So let's try to use that option. So it only smoothen things at the limit. So let's try that. Okay, shall we see how it looks now? Oh, it's not good enough. It's too slow, I guess. Oh, is it better? Yeah, it's better, I guess. Okay, I think this is better. Let's test it out a little bit. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna stick with that one. Cool. let me delete this part, and I'll end this episode at this point. So it has been a short episode, but I thought it would take more work than this. So right, anyway, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link could be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.